Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 1, Ghana 0. Yeah. I'm John Buffett, my brother.
I come Spiwe, my gents, and mina ngikhala ngento eyi-1. Evidence, gents. Sidinga istrike sokora amagoli. Hayi umuntu ozolinki play. Sidinga amagoli. It's a cup competition.
Yeah.
And we have to win it. How many years singaywini? Esibuye nalo into le. And sidinga istrike sofaka amagoli. I can't wait for Sean Campbell to come back. Nobody no Frosler. At least Frosler yakora. Sean Campbell yakwazi ukcreate, yakwazi ukora. Umakhopa, yes, he can hold up the ball, but guys, it's a cup competition. We need the win. We need the win. Asifuni league lana. Asidlaleli league, sifuni cup medal buye. Evidence makhopa phakamisa ndoda. Phakamisa. Sifuna amagoli. Yini lento yenza? Sifuna amagoli ndoda. Sibonge Steve. Awuyibekile.